Grow your own almond bounty, a guide to seeding almond trees at home. Almonds, those delightful crunchy treats, come from majestic almond trees. But did you know you can cultivate your own almond haven right at home? While it might take a few years to see those first delicious nuts, the journey of growing an almond tree from seed is a rewarding experience for any plant enthusiast. This guide will equip you with the knowledge to nurture your very own baby almond tree from a humble seed to a flourishing producer. Before you begin, a seed of information. 1. Patience is key. Almond trees grown from seeds can take anywhere from 5 to 10 years before they produce their first set of nuts. 2. Pollination partners. Almond trees require cross-pollination to produce nuts. If you only plan on growing one tree, consider hand pollination techniques or planting to trees of compatible varieties. 3. Climate considerations. Almond trees thrive in warm, dry climates with mild winters. If your region experiences harsh winters, container growing might be a better option for you. Seeding success, a step-by-step guide. 1. Gather your supplies. Several raw, unroasted almonds, preferably organic, potting mix with good drainage. Container with drainage holes large enough for the root system to develop. Spray bottle, optional, sandpaper or nutcracker for scarification. 2. Scarification optional. Almond seeds have a tough outer shell. To encourage germination, you can lightly scratch the surface of the almond with sandpaper or crack it slightly with a nutcracker. Be careful not to damage the inner seed. 3. Soaking. Fill a container with lukewarm water and soak the almonds for 48 to 72 hours. Change the water daily. 4. Planting. Fill your container with potting mix, leaving about an inch of space at the top. Plant the soaked almonds pointed end up, about 1 inch deep. Cover them lightly with soil and water gently. 5. Location. Place your pot in a warm, sunny location that receives at least 8 hours of sunlight daily. Ideally, maintain a room temperature between 65–75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18–24 degrees Celsius. 6. Moisture matters. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Water deeply, and the top pinch of soil feels dry to the touch. 7. Sprouting and growth. Germination can take anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks. Once your seedling emerges, continue providing ample sunlight and watering. 8. Repotting. As your almond tree grows, you will need to repot it into a larger container every 1 to 2 years. Choose a pot with good drainage that's a few inches wider than the previous one. 9. Winter care for colder climates. If your winters are harsh, protect your young almond tree by bringing it indoors to a sunny location or by providing adequate insulation outdoors. 10. Patience and care. With consistent care and a sprinkle of patience, your almond tree will continue to grow and mature. Once it reaches maturity and blooms in the spring, you can attempt hand pollination for nut production. Tips for success: use a high-quality potting mix specifically formulated for container gardening. Fertilize your almond tree once a month during the growing season with a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength. Prune your tree regularly to encourage branching and maintain its desired shape.